Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, we have to find the relation for rolling off a cylinder without slipping on an inclined plane. So this is our inclined plane of inclination, that is theta, and there is a solid cylinder of mass m. So I'm going to show the forces acting on this cylinder. So one is the gravitational force, that is weight, which is acting vertically downward, and the component of this weight in this direction is mg sine theta, and the normal force, that is n, between the cylinder and this plane, and the component of this force, that is mg cos theta, and there is a frictional force acting. Let this is given by F, and the acceleration in this direction is A. So we can say that translational acceleration or translational motion, that is given by this is mg sine theta minus frictional force is equals to this is mass into acceleration. This is our equation first. And now for rotational motion, we can say that net torque should be equals to I into alpha. Here torque is this only due to the frictional force. This is F into the radius, that is R, and this is equals to this is mr square by 2 into this is A by R. As we know that for solid cylinder I is mr square by 2, and the value of A is equals to this is R alpha in pure rolling. So finally we can say that F will becomes this is m by 2 into A. This is our equation second. Now put the value of, or we can say that from here we find the value of ma, which is equals to 2f. Now put the value of ma in equation first. So put the value of ma in equation 1. We can say that so mg sine theta minus f, and this is equals to 2 times of f, or we can say from here f is equals to this is, or we can say that 3f is equals to this is mg sine theta, or f should be equals to this is mg sine theta by 3. Now we know that for no slipping, this value of frictional force should be less than equals to mu into mg cos theta, that is limiting friction. So this is equals to mg sine theta upon 3, and this is less than equals to mu mg cos theta, or from here we can say that tan theta should be less than equal to this is 3 times of mu s, that is the static friction coefficient. So this is the answer, and for that we can say option B is the correct choice. Thank you.